Labor Day special. Hey guys, if you are looking to buy a home in today's real estate market, we have access to a free list of homes including bank foreclosure, short sales, corporate home, RBID homes. These are all certified good deals, including for sale by owners, new constructions, homes that you cannot see online. This weekend, this Labor Day weekend, we have 10 deals that we are open. There are 10 best buys this weekend. If you're thinking of selling a home, you can see right behind me, we have 10 locations open this weekend in Hacienda Heights, in Rowland Heights, in Pasadena, in Alhambra, in San Gabriel, Los Angeles. Every single time, think about it, if you're thinking of selling a home, how would you get the most price of your home? Typically, if you hire a traditional real estate agent, typically the agent is a very passive way of marketing, meaning they put a for sale sign in front of the house and then they put it on the MLS and they hope and pray. And when on the traditional open house, typically there's no one's there. The real estate agent sitting down, playing Facebook, and it's a very passive way. It's a hope and pray kind of way. When you are thinking of selling your home in today's real estate market, you need a marketing genius, right? You need a real estate marketing, not a listing agent, not a traditional traditional real estate agent. A marketing plan. For example of marketing plan, right behind you, you can see this is going on in 10 different locations. Today, this Labor Day weekend in Pasadena, San Gabriel, Alhambra, Rowland Heights, Los Angeles, Newport Beach, all of our, every single one location, you can see over 300 cash buyers looking to buy homes. 20-30 offers is all done within the 60 minutes. So if you're thinking of selling your home, I'd like to show you our plan. Our marketing plan. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Again, 626-789-0159. There are 6 reasons why for you to call our team. Your home sold, guaranteed, or I'll buy. To discuss the sale of your home, call 626-789-0159. There are 6 reasons why. Reasons number 1, we already have over 30,000 buyers in our database. Right? We already have over 30,000 buyers in our database looking to buy homes here in the area. So when you call our team to get your home sold, instead of looking for buyers, because most of our competitors, they don't have a buyers, what they do, they put a for sale sign and they're looking for buyers. With our team, we already have over 30,000 buyers in our database. These are cash buyers, pre-approved, ready to go, and each one of those buyers already assigned to one of my partners here in the team. So every day, these are buyers that every day we are actively looking to buy homes in the area. That's reason number 1. Reason number 2, according to the multiple listing service, the MLS, our average client's home sold for at least $15,000 more money. So you, as the client's net, our average client's net on average $15,000 more money when they hire our team to sell their home. Reason number 3, we sell more homes. In fact, in the last 12 months, our team sold over 510 homes over the last 12 months. What it means for you, how does it benefit our clients? Because we sell more homes. Oh, by the way, the average agent maybe sell about 5-6 homes in a year, right? Because we sell more homes than the average agent, we have more resources. We have more resources, we have more funds, we have more money to outspend all of our competitors combined, right? So because we have more resources, that way, when you hire our team, we can outspend all of our competitors to get your home sold. Reason number 4, according to the multiple listing service, our average homes are selling for 3 times faster than the average homes in the area. Next reason number 5 to hire our team is that your home are more likely to get sold. In fact, according to the multiple listing service, the average real estate agent in the area, 50% of the home are expired, meaning failed to get sold. Here in our team, 90% of our listings sold. Your home are twice as more likely to get sold when you hire our team. And reason number 6, last reasons why to hire our team is that it's a proven service. Here in our team, if you go to YouTube, you can watch over 1,000 video endorsements from local homeowners just like you when they hire our team, their experience. If you go to Zillow, there is no other real estate teams or office or agents that have more 5-star endorsements than our team. So it's safe to do business with our team. Again, guys, this is a Labor Day weekend. Just want to drop in, quick say hello. Your home sold, guaranteed, or I'll buy. To discuss the sale of your home, call 626-789-0159. And I'm inviting you to stop by to request our list of RBID opens this weekend. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Make it a great day.
More coverage of Where You Drive Most. I'm Jay Olin.
If you're about to sell your house, well, an agent could put a sign in your yard, but which agent is going to get the most money? The answer is Rudy Kusuma. Just saw Rudy and his staff yesterday. We had a great lunch together, and he does sell twice as fast than the average agent, and he sells for more money, 2% more on average. And he has the buyers. He has an exclusive buyers in waiting system with 7,900 ready home buyers ready to go right now. And Rudy sold an Orange County home in just 11 days, multiple offers, sold it for $5,000 over asking. Call Rudy now at 855-RUDY-SELLS, 855-783-7355, or go to RudyHasTheBuyers.com, RudyHasTheBuyers.com.
Southland weather from Kevin. More coverage of Where You Drive Most. I'm Angel Martinez.
If you want to sell your home now and get the best price, you call Rudy Kusuma. Rudy will sit down with you. You agree on a price and a deadline. If the deadline passes and the home isn't sold, he'll buy your home, guaranteed. If your house doesn't sell, Rudy will buy it as is for a price acceptable to you. Rudy sold Lisa and Jean's home on Fairview Avenue in Arcadia for $20,000 more than asking price in 12 days. RudyHasTheBuyers.com, RudyHasTheBuyers.com, or call 855-RUDY-7355, 855-RUDY-7355.
Southland weather, we got a slight chance of rain tonight, and again tomorrow, mostly cloudy tomorrow, highs breaks.
I'm Deborah Mark.
Your home sale is the biggest financial transaction of your life, and you want a realtor who guarantees a sale, and that's Rudy Kusuma. Saw Rudy and his staff the other day. We had a good lunch together. He has a base of 7,900 buyers, and they were waiting to buy any homes between $500,000 to $1 million right now. You and Rudy agree on a price and a deadline for your home sale, and if the deadline passes, Rudy will buy it himself. Rudy's homes sell for more on average of $17,000 more on a $500,000 home. Call Rudy Kusuma. Dial pound 250 on your cell phone and say Rudy has the buyers. Pound 250 and say Rudy has the buyers, and you'll have the option to receive an auto-dial text message from iHeartMedia.
Paid spokespersons, no fee unless they win your case.
After any accident, if you've been hit head-on,
Technology, engineering, and math. We'll check the forecast and the 22 next.
Your home sale is your biggest financial transaction. So you're going to choose a realtor who guarantees a sale like Rudy Kusuma. Rudy has a database of 7,900 buyers who are looking for homes between $500,000 and $1 million, and they're looking for these homes now. You and Rudy agree on a price and a deadline for your home's sale, and if the deadline passes, Rudy will buy it himself. Rudy's homes sell for more, an average of $17,000 more on a $500,000 home. And he has more 5-star Zillow reviews than any realtor. So call Rudy Kusuma, dial pound 250 on your cell phone, and say, Rudy has the buyers. That's pound 250, and then you say, Rudy has the buyers. And you'll have an option to receive an auto-dial text message from iHeartMedia.
The Chonga Resort and Casino is now America's favorite casino. Experience the most slots and the biggest...
That's an awfully short jingle. Your home sale, that's your biggest financial transaction in your whole life. And you want to choose a realtor who guarantees a sale, that's Rudy Kusuma. Rudy has a base of 7,900 buyers, and they're looking for homes between $500,000 and $1 million, and they're looking right now. You and Rudy agree on a price and a deadline for your home sale, and if the deadline passes, Rudy will buy it himself. Rudy's homes sell for more, an average of $17,000 more on a $500,000 home. He has more 5-star Zillow reviews than any realtor. So call Rudy Kusuma. Dial pound 250 on your cell phone and say, Rudy has the buyers. Pound 250 and say, Rudy has the buyers. And you'll have the option to receive an auto-dialed text message from iHeartMedia.
It's for $3.14 to celebrate. We'll check the 605 next.
Your home sale is one of your biggest financial transactions that you'll ever make, maybe the biggest. And when it comes time to sell your home, you want to hire the right realtor that's going to get you the top dollar and get your home sold fast, and that guy is Rudy Kusuma. He has over 7,900 home buyers all ready to buy something in his exclusive database. So he has the demand for your house. He sold over 300 homes last year. The average agent sells about 2 a year. Seriously, Rudy sold a home in Pasadena for $75,000 over asking price in just 12 days. And Rudy sold Lisa and Jean's home in Arcadia for $20,000 over asking price, also in 12 days. That's Rudy Kusuma, the #1 RE/MAX agent in Los Angeles. You call 855-783-9735, 855-783-9735, or call 855-RUDY-SELLS, 855-RUDY-SELLS.
Dale, there were no reports of any damage or injuries. We'll take a look to see if your drive through Burbank is getting any better next.
You want to sell your home, you want an agent who's going to sell it for the most money, and that's Rudy Kusuma. Rudy will sit down with you. You agree on a price and a deadline, and if the deadline passes and the home isn't sold, he will buy your home, guaranteed. If your house doesn't sell, Rudy will buy it as is for a price acceptable to you. He has 7,900 home buyers all ready to go. Go to RudyHasTheBuyers.com, RudyHasTheBuyers.com, or go to 855-RUDY-7355, 855-RUDY-7355.
Al Moose's show featured homes in Southern California. We'll take a look at your ride on the 5 next.
You want to buy? I'm sorry. Let me rework that. If you want to sell your home, Rudy Kusuma is the man to call. Rudy Kusuma, you sit down with him, agree on a price and a deadline. If the deadline passes and the home isn't sold, he'll buy your home guaranteed. Let me tell you again, if your house doesn't sell, Rudy will buy it as is for a price acceptable to you. He has 7,900 home buyers all ready to go. And Rudy just sold a home in Los Angeles for 100% of asking price within 5 days. And it sat on the market for 112 days with another agent. So go to RudyHasTheBuyers.com, RudyHasTheBuyers.com, or call 855-RUDY-7355, 855-RUDY-7355.
Staples can take care of all of your personal and business holidays.
FI Traffic now with even more coverage of where you drive most. I'm Angel Martinez.
Hey, I've never told you, never recommended about a real estate agent before, but I'm telling you about Rudy Kusuma. If you want to sell your house, Rudy will sit down with you. You agree on a price and a deadline, and if the deadline passes and the home isn't sold, he will buy your home guaranteed. Again, if your house doesn't sell, Rudy will buy it as is for a price acceptable to you. And Rudy sold Deanna and John's home for $75,000, more than the asking price in just 12 days, to one of the buyers in their exclusive Buyers in Waiting program, which has 7,900 waiting buyers. So call Rudy Kusuma. RudyHasTheBuyers.com is the website. And his number is 855-RUDY-7355, 855-RUDY-7355.
Southland weather, partly cloudy tomorrow. Highs are going to be in the mid-60s. We'll take a look at your drive on the 405 next.
Rudy Kusuma will sell your house. Rudy will sit down with you, and you agree on a price and a deadline, and if the deadline passes and the home is not sold, he will buy your home. Guaranteed. If your house doesn't sell, Rudy will buy it as is for a price acceptable to you. He has 7,900 home buyers ready to go. He sold a Pasadena home for $75,000 over asking price in only 12 days. RudyHasTheBuyers.com, RudyHasTheBuyers.com, or call 855-RUDY-7355, 855-RUDY-7355.
Staples can take care of all of your personal and business holiday shipping in-store with UPS.
We'll take a look at your weather and your drive next.
You don't want to give your home away or leave money on the table. That's why you need to call Rudy Kusuma, because Rudy sells twice as fast as the average agent. Rudy sells for more money, 2% more on average, and Rudy has the buyers. He has an exclusive buyers and waiting system, 7,900 ready home buyers, and they want to buy now. Rudy sold Andy and Sarah's home on 305 San Marcos Street for $25,000 more than asking in just 22 days. Call Rudy, 855-RUDY-SELLS, 855-783-7355, or go to rudyhasthebuyers.com, rudyhasthebuyers.com.
Morning, sunshine. You're still trying to wake up. Now 10% off at Firestone Complete Auto Care. Whatever you drive a Firestone.
Want to sell your house? Well, any agent could put a sign in your yard, but you want an agent who's going to sell your home for the most money, and that's Rudy Kusuma. Rudy sells twice as fast than the average agent, and he sells for more money, 2% more on average. And he already has the buyers, 7,900 ready home buyers in a waiting system, an exclusive list. Rudy sold an Orange County home in just 11 days. He got multiple offers, sold it for $5,000 over asking price. Call Rudy now at 855-RUDY-SELLS, 855-783-7355, or go to rudyhasthebuyers.com, rudyhasthebuyers.com.
When you're better at managing your credit,